Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I Dutch braid my own hair. First of all, I'm just taking my tangle teaser and I'm just brushing through all of my hair. So once you've brushed through your hair, before we get started, we're going to take a pintail comb and we're going to go straight down the middle. Just going to check in this mirror. Once you've got your hair sectioned off, we're going to take a bobble and we're just going to literally get it out of the way so that it's not going to be bothering us. So now we've got this section, we're going to just make it a little bit more manageable to actually braid the hair. So what we're going to do is I'm taking some setting spray. So this has like a medium hold. It just helps to set the style in place, which is perfect if you're using your braids to wear your hair wavy the next day. You can also just use water. It's just literally just to tame it a little bit and dampen it down. So I'm just spraying this through nicely. And then I'm just going to take my brush and spread that product all the way through. And by doing this as well, I'll know if I need to put a little bit more in or not, depending on how my hair feels. Some people prefer to work with drier hair, some people prefer to work with wet hair. It all just depends on your personal preference. I like mine in the middle. Now I'm taking this coconut curling cream. I love this stuff, it's amazing. So what I like to do is take my fingertips, just slide them in. So as you can see, the product is literally just on my fingertips. Rub them together and then work this through the hair. So what you want to do is start off with a small section. I like to go on a bit of a diagonal from so far back in the hairline and then bring it all the way to the front. So you end up with a bit of a triangle. We're going to separate the hair into 3 strands. What we're doing is we're taking the middle section, pulling it on top of the outside section so that the outside section ends up in the middle. We're then taking this outside section, pulling the middle section through over the top again, and the outside section is now in the middle. So then we're taking this outside section, pulling the middle section over the top of it, and then the outside section becomes the middle section. I hope this is making sense. Now what we're going to do is add a section to the outside. I like to do a section of hair from the front of the head to the centre of the braid as one, and then from the parting to the middle as my second section. So remembering to try keep your hair strands in place. Take your second section of hair to the outside and then we're going to repeat that, pulling the middle section over the outside. So one thing that I always do when I'm doing my own hair, and it's not really intentional, is my braid ends up coming round the side of my ear. However, if you do want it to be more straight down the middle, you need to keep your hands nice and high and keep pulling that bottom section up. So just keep working every time, adding hair to the next section. I like to comb through the new section with my fingers just so I know that it's going to lay as smooth as possible. And then we're adding another section of hair. So once it gets to the bottom, we're just doing the same. Middle section goes on top of the outside section every time. So I'm just taking a small little elastic band and I'm just tying this round. If you are wanting to wear your hair wavy the day after, try get the braid as low down as possible and then you don't end up with them straight ends. I always like to double band my braids because I find the bands snap if not, just with me having slightly thicker hair. So now I'm just going to do this side I'm just going to put my products in and then I will face away and show you how I braid it, but from the back so that you can have a better look.
I've been up for 3 nights. My eyes are bloodshot red. Damn, I wanna see the sunshine. It's getting to my head. One look in the mirror, don't like what I find. I know that somewhere in there there's a good guy, but he runs away at midnight. I'm sorry that I stole your car. Ain't got those tattoos on my arms that don't tell me maybe you should pull the alarm, so I don't take it way too far. Die before I'm 23. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom.
So once I've got the braids in, what I like to do is just take a spoolie and I just like to brush down my baby hair, just because it fills in my hairline a bit more, and because I'm not going to be washing my hair tomorrow, I don't want to fill in my hairline with any eyeshadow or anything like that, because if I don't wash my hair the same day I tend to break out. So just literally focusing on these top corners, because we braid from here back on a diagonal and not say here back, it does sometimes highlight if you've got like a bit of a finer hairline like me. So that's why I just like to brush the hair into place. So you can set this using a bit of hairspray, or you could even use like an eyebrow gel, anything like that. But this is how I braid my hair. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you all again very soon. Have a lovely day.